Magento 2 command line tool. Let's talk about this interesting feature. I'm gonna open Magento 2 official website and dev docs, and we have some explanations here on what is command line tool and how it could be used. I will leave the references for this lesson, so you will able to check it by yourself. We have a number of commands here. So for example, if we would like to run cron, we can actually forcefully execute this command and it will run the cron. And if we would like to clean cache or enable cache, we could execute this command and it will do what we need. And of course there's much more different useful commands that one time you will probably need to execute. So in this lesson I will briefly explain how to use this Magento command line tool. I'm gonna connect to my web server with Magento installation. Okay, I'm gonna insert an IP address here, and once again I would like to confirm that I'm using PuTTY software. According to my opinion, it's very useful and easy to understand. So let's open it, and I'm gonna log in as root user with my root password. Okay, let's open on full size screen, and before I actually start executing something, I will need to go to the root directory with Magento installation. In my environment, I'm gonna go to cd var and www html magento. If you have other environment, it's very possible that path to your Magento installation will be different. So when you in the root directory with Magento installation, you could execute Magento command line tool. So let's do sample execution to see how it works. So I'm gonna type php bin Magento and some command. Let's try help, for example. Okay, and we have general overview of this command line tool here, and that's simply the way how this command works. And for example, if we would like to check all the available commands, let's do the following. Let's type php bin Magento and list, and it should display us and actually displayed all the available commands that supported by this command line tool. So for example, if you would like to work with sample data, we should use this section. If you would like to set up something, we should consider this section. And for example, if you would like to clean cache, for example, from the command line, we could use this section and use this particular command, cache clean. So that's just brief example. I'm almost sure that you will need it to use this actually tool from time to time. So be careful, but don't worry to use it. Just use it carefully and reread information about the command just to make sure that it will be executed in appropriate manner. Practically, that's all in regards to this lesson. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.